going to put the strut bar back in, and I'll show you when it's all done. But man, I am so excited. This looks so good. I am so pleased to have this in my car. This really is kind of one of those ultimate engine bay upgrades. All right, y'all, all done. Go ahead and clean up and put your tools away, and you can tell this is not a hard install at all. And I am incredibly excited to have this in my car. When I was talking with Sean Machamaro and I heard about this project that he was working on, I literally was just blown away. This is really kind of a world premiere, one in the entire world kind of product. You're not going to find this from every vendor and every company that makes carbon fiber. This is incredible. Developed in-house from Sean Machamaro. It's incredibly well designed. The pictures alone don't do it justice. It's some of the cleanest, best looking carbon fiber I've ever seen. It's going to be strong, it's going to be light, and it's going to look great. You know, every car show from this point forward, I'm going to have my hood up the entire time. So thank you so much for Machamaro for making such a fantastic product. Thanks to Sean personally, fantastic guy. You should make sure to check him out. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I have a ton of content to bring to you like this and even more that I cannot wait. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next project.